Dressed in the morning rain, Jovenel, we say your name. Across the hills of home, your people feel it in their bones. The gates are still and bare, but your footsteps linger there. In the market by the sea, they still speak your memory. Oh, we carry what you gave in the faces of the brave. Though the world turned harsh and cold, your story will not fall. Jovenel, we remember you, remember you. Jovenel, we remember you, remember you. From Port-au-Prince to every shore, your name still knocks on every door. Jovenel, we remember you, remember you. They tore the night